Hi, we are at Design Text and I'm with Jay from Digiprints, and let's understand how has the Intex experience been for it.
It is our first Intex and this has been quite good for us. In fact, people have been approaching us and trying to understand what 3D printing is about.
Yeah, right. So what are the plans for the next couple of years?
Amount of cards that we have gotten, it will take us a couple of months to sort them out actually.
Okay. So in terms of the technology evolving, how are you sharing about the big change?
So we have solutions based in metal, plastics, sand and ice. So it is really interesting to see how people pick this up.
Okay.
It is basically a design that makes a difference.
Right. But how do you see people responding to this concept?
People are responding well. Basically, it all depends as to their tuning towards the printers and the technology itself.
Okay. Is price point going to be a factor? How do you see that evolving?
You can't compare it to conventional printers.
Right.
So, against what do you compare? That is when the price point comes to the picture.
No, that's right. But I mean, if you look at the manufacturing, printing the model in metals, what is printing in a metal? How the price point?
See, now these are automated machines and earlier it was done by hand in conventional ways.
Right. So it should be faster.
This would be faster, this would be more refined.
Okay.
And shapes could be, complex shapes could be.
Thank you, Jay.
Yeah.
Good time.
Let's talk.
Bye.